You really get a grand scope of how much damage that fire really did. Right here.
West Kelowna was ablaze, but most tragically, what appears to be structures on fire.
Crews and myself were out on scene on August 17th and days before that as well, working on the fire for as long as we could. We had heavy equipment and crews working to try to build containment, but every day we were being challenged by steep slopes and aggressive fire behavior in the afternoons.
So we are walking through where the fire went through last year, the McDougall Rim fire. We decided to take a drive up just to see. We haven't been up here since the fire went through. It's pretty tragic. We come up here all the time. So we drove up about, I don't know, 8 or 9 kilometers and then decided to get out and found a trail. So we're just gonna take a walk and see what we can find down here.
Like there's no birds or anything, it's just silent. There's a foundation down here, right down there. What's that? Yeah. Big hole from a tree that burnt. There's a foundation of something. To what? I don't know. It's an old camp stove. An old camp wood stove. Where you'd cook on. Something else down here, let's go have a look. You know, as horrible as it is to have a fire go through a place like this, it really opens up stuff to be found. I have no idea what that is. Oh, there we go. Finally. One hole in the ground. Always lots of water in here. It's really deep. I'm not sure we can go in. What's that?
There's not another shaft coming from anywhere because it would be cold.
No, this one's a dead end, I think. Let's see.
Traveling the water. My boots are waterproof, but only to a certain extent.
Yeah. Alright, well, here we are. Not that I can see much. Be careful where I walk so I don't sink. That's crazy, people did this for a living. Oops. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go much further. That's really deep and wet.
Well, it's early yet still, right?
Yeah. May have to come back a little later.
With some taller boots?
Maybe. Yeah, that's not good. That sure is neat though. You can kind of see down the end of the shaft area there.
I'm gonna attempt to try to do this without falling in. My legs are little.
Good luck.
I did that wrong. What? I did it. My legs are little.
Okay.
I want to see.
Oh, that's wet.
Yeah, that's gonna sink.
I don't think I'm waterproof to there, so let's see how far I can get. Everything in here is floating, honey.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, if we fall in, I'm recording, so I'll get it.
Awesome. Well, we finally found it. There wasn't a lot there, it was just full of water. So I didn't actually get to go in very far. But the trip was fun, we found some neat things on the way. Had it not been burnt, we never would have saw any of that other stuff left over. Another thing claimed by the fire, there used to be an old trapper's cabin right here. We have a picture of it from a few years ago. Yeah, it's gone. Like literally disintegrated. That's too bad. Another piece of history erased.